Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Monday the 20th of June 2022. There was a point over the weekend where it was looking pretty grim across the crypto space. A late recovery on Sunday though, and things are looking a lot better as we report to you midday here on Monday, albeit the bounce that we have seen, is it just a temporary dead cat bounce, as they say, with more selling yet to come? Quite interestingly, I'll just bring your attention straight away to Bitcoin here on the bottom right. As you can see, one of the key levels that we discussed on Bitcoin, if we'd fallen below the 20,000 handle, was 17,628, and pretty much to the point, we came off that handle on over the weekend, as you can see. So really nice reversal, picking up a nice 2,500 almost points from that level to get us back into 20, and then a daily close yesterday above the 20 handle. Quite important. Must be said, we are trading flat right now. We are just ticking in the green there, as you can see on the charts, but pretty flat day all in all. If anything, just a slight rejection there off that 21,128 handle that I've got on my charts. So that's obviously something that we've got to watch. You can see this bar on the previous week was an interesting pin bar off that level. So potentially that's where the sellers are going to look to hold against that, around that 21,128. So just watch out there if we do see a rejection or a daily close below. It could be signs that Rellas are sellers. Rellas, might be the new name that I give to rally sellers. But basically the rally sellers will look to jump back in and look to push us back below that 20k handle. So I'm sure there's a lot of nerves if we do continue trading below the 20k handle among a lot of leverage longs firstly, but also some of the hodlers, some of the guys like MicroStrategy who've been taking out loans as collateral for their Bitcoin holdings, for example, because that's a really big level. As you can see here, 17,628. If we come through that, don't see too much in the way of support. I mean, we're going to be looking all the way back down. I think the area that I was targeting was probably around, I think that firstly I'm thinking around the 16 handle, but then you've got to go all the way back to what was the at one point all-time highs at around that 12,480. So that's where we'll be looking at below the 17. Ethereum was dipping below the 1k handle as well, so that psychological 1k, psychological 20k both went over the weekend, as you can see, but we've bounced back above that already and trading at 1121. Again, potential for rally sellers to jump back in here pretty much across the board. Same with Litecoin, we're looking pretty ominous, but we continue to hold the 40 handle, so we didn't actually break new lows on Litecoin over the weekend, much like Ripple was also able to hold on to the 30 cents handle. It was really Ethereum and Bitcoin which were looking a lot worse. But you can see here Ethereum currently at 1121, you got Litecoin at 52.32, and then you got Ripple down there at 0.3224 right now. Overhead on Ripple, you got 0.3345 as some resistance. You've seen a rejection on the H4 bar there, as you can see. Support quite clear at 30 cents. And I think that's it from my end, guys. I'll wrap that up there for Monday's briefing. Anything else, I'll see you inside the chat room. Until next time, all the best with your crypto trading. Bye for now.